Example 5. Learning outcome 2.0D. Okay, so kita sekali lagi nak interpret equation y is equals to a sin omega t, in which our equation in this question is 3.75 sin 5.4t plus 0.45x. So we compare it with general equation y is equals to a sin omega t plus minus kx. Okay, so where t and where x and y, so this is very important to identify the units used for this equation. So the unit used in this equation x and y are in centimeters and t is in seconds. So amplitude kita juga dalam centimeter. So question A, how much time does it take for one complete wave pattern to go past a fisherman in a boat at anchor? And at what horizontal distance does the wave crest travel in that time? So one complete wave pattern, that's refer time for one complete wave pattern, that's refer to the period. Okay, and what horizontal distance does the wave crest travel during the period? What is what we call as wave length. Okay, so to find period, we look at the value of omega. Okay, because omega is equals to 2 pi over t, and omega here in this equation is 5.4. Okay, so we substitute that into our equation. 5.4 is equals to 2 pi over t, and we'll get period t is equals to 1.164 second. And for the second part of the question, okay, we want to find lambda. Okay, to find lambda, we look at the quantity called the wave number k, and that is equals to 2 pi over the wavelength. Okay, so k from our equation is equals to 0.45 is equals to 2 pi over wavelength lambda, and we'll know that lambda is equals to, okay, rearrange the equation, 2 pi over 0.45, if I'm not mistaken, 13.963 centimeter. So that's for question A. For question B, what are the wave number and the number of waves per second that pass through the fisherman? Okay, so what are the wave number? The wave number is k, which is equal to 0.45 per meter. But the number of wave per second, okay, so bila soalan minta number of wave per second, I think per second is the keyword. Number of wave per second means frequency. Okay, so what is the frequency? Since we already have the value of period t, and we know that frequency is equals to 1 over period, so we just substitute the value 1 over 1.164 second, and we have frequency f is equals to 0.859. Okay, since the question asks the number of wave per second, so I'll say 0.859 per second. So I use per second instead of hertz. Walaupun kedua-duanya betul, but I think per second is more suitable for this question. That is question B. So kalau saya salah, betulkan saya. Okay. So yang seterusnya, how fast does the wave crest travel past the fisherman? So when they cakap how fast, so we know we need to find the velocity. Okay, so v is equals to lambda f. We already know that lambda is equals to 13.963. Now this is the reason why saya simpan 3 titik perpuluhan instead of 2, because saya tak nak berlaku round off error. Okay, so kalau belum lagi jawapan akhir, kita ambil lebih daripada 2 titik perpuluhan. Okay, so jawapan akhir pada B dan jawapan akhir pada A digunakan untuk pengiraan dalam soalan C. So saya ambil lebih 3 titik perpuluhan untuk mengelakkan round off error. So 13.963 times 0.859. Okay, that's frequency, and the answer for velocity is equal to 11.99. Okay, x and y are in centimeter, so centimeter per second. Okay, so itu adalah jawapan bagi C. Dan saya tahu siapa yang bijak, dia akan nampak bahawa saya telah tersilap unit dalam saya menulis value K. Okay, so value K juga dalam centimeter. Okay, so 0.45 per centimeter. So that's all for this chapter. Okay, so nanti kita buat lebih banyak soalan dalam kelas tutorial. So tahniah kerana awak dah habiskan chapter 2. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.